I just been balling out every season. Knowing some niggas I left in the piece. I just been married to double cup. I gotta pull me a four inside another leader. Time to pass and then run it up. I gotta put the new bills inside of the freeze. Back at the trap, I was ducking them people, ducking the birds and then out the eagles. All of my diamonds gon' bust out the meter. I'm dripping water, nigga, I will feed them.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I am finally back on the channel, back from hibernation, and I really haven't been uploading as much as I wanted to because I've been working really hard on getting the Skyline ready and finished for the summer. My objective is to get the car done by possibly June. So hopefully that's gonna happen and we're gonna be able to get the car on the road by then. But we still got lots of stuff to do. The only thing that I would have been able to post is basically body work, and I have done a little bit of things as far as mechanical, but it was all really boring stuff and I don't think you guys would have liked to see that. But I am going to do an update video on the Skyline very shortly. Now, as you guys can tell by the title of this video, I did get a new car, and it is a 2018 Subaru STI. I hope you guys either like these cars or own one yourself. Now, I am going to be posting a lot of stuff on this car as well. I'm just trying to get more diversity in whatever I'm uploading on the channel. Now, it's kind of hard with car stuff because it's either really expensive or you just run out of ideas. Now, I am going to bring you on a little tour in the garage to show you what's been going on with the Skyline. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the cinematics, and let's go. Alright guys, so here it is. This is the Skyline, how it's sitting right now. So I currently have the bumper off, the doors are off as well. So what we do is basically, now we've gotten the fiberglass as straight as we can with just fiberglass, and now you put a layer of Bondo from front to back, and then you sand it completely down. So there's probably like maybe 98% of the Bondo is going to be fully sanded down. Now here's the Z-Tune hood installed on the Skyline. You guys haven't seen this yet. I also have arrow catch hinges for the hood because I deleted the OEM one. So basically, like I said, we've been doing body work for a few months now. We got the whole kit molded on. Now we're trying to get everything as straight as possible. It's looking very nice right now. Still lots of work to do, but other than that, doors, all the body work's done. We got to finish this rear quarter. Other rear quarter is done. The rear bumper, which is sitting on the ground right there, is almost done. Now we got the cutouts made for the reverse lights and everything. Other than that, like, side skirt body work is done. Front bumper, let's go take a look. So basically we had really bad fitment with the headlights and stuff, so we fixed all that with the front fenders and the hood. Now everything was good until we put the bumper on. Now there was missing about an inch of gap in between the bumper and the light. So what I did is I made some kind of mold to sit on top to fit perfectly with the headlight. And now this is just raw right now, but we're gonna have to sand all this fiberglass down and get everything perfect and adjusted to the light. Now this was also way too low, and we cut that grill piece and then we lifted it up, put more fiberglass, and now it's nice and solid. But yeah, so lots of work, but we're getting everything together. Yeah. And hopefully the car's gonna be ready for June. Alright guys, so this is the downpipe I've been fabricating for this car. Now I've been running into a lot of issues with this swap and this build. Now the body work in the first place is just out of this world. I did not know what I was getting myself into, but it's looking pretty good now. So like I said, hope we can get the car done pretty shortly. Now the problem I've been running into with this downpipe is because The RB that was in here, the hot side of the engine was actually on the passenger side. Now with the JZ, the hot side is actually on the right side of the engine, which is the driver's side, and we're running into clearance issues with the steering column and with a bunch of other stuff. Now it does fit, everything's good. It's a little tight, but we're gonna get this wrapped and welded. I tacked it in place for now just because I'm gonna be purging it and then welding it so it is a lot stronger and nicer. That's kind of a quick recap with the Skyline and where I'm at. The transmission is in, the drive shaft's in, the axles are in, the diff is in. Now everything to drive is technically in, so as soon as we get the car started, we could technically drive it. Now it's only going to be on a base tune, so after we get the base tune and stuff, we're going to be putting it on a trailer and then bringing it on the dyno to get tuned. So there's going to be a lot more content coming for the 2018 STI, and that is pretty much where we're at with the Skyline. Now, like I said, I'm sorry. I'm going to try to be uploading a lot more and on a steady schedule. I'm going to try to upload at least every week. If I can upload more, I will. Now, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys next video. Peace.
Best friend ended up giving me sit in the Tahoe when I jumped off the jet. Yeah, I just been falling out here.